Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the grand finale of the 21st season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's first-time finalists Mona Heights Primary from St. Andrew against 2014 champion St. Richard's Primary, also from St. Andrew. And guess what? The action begins right now. Let's meet the teams for tonight's finals. It's the final showdown in season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Mona Heights Primary from Mona in St. Andrew faces St. Richard's Primary from Red Hills Road, also in St. Andrew. Let's now meet the team from Mona Heights Primary. Israel Edwards, the captain. He is the science ace and likes reading, writing, playing cards and board games. Mikhail Winter, the mathematics prodigy, enjoys playing football and cooking. Jonathan Dixon, words and their meanings are his thing. Yes, he's the English language standout who likes playing sports and board games. And Aaron Edwards, he's the whiz kid on all things social studies, and his unique hobby is humming. And now for the ambassadors from St. Richard's Primary. Jomar Danvers, the captain. Science is his special domain, and he enjoys reading and playing chess with teammate Adonijah, Gabrielle Brown. She's the mathematics brain of the team who enjoys reading and playing board games. Adonijah Simpson, his expertise is English language, and he likes playing football and chess with his teammate Jomar. And Morgan Brown, she's the specialist in social studies and enjoys watching anime and true crime documentaries, crocheting, and painting. These are the 8 amazing young Jamaicans. The finals of the 2024 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz begins now. Earlier we had the toss and Mona Heights won and decided to send St. Richard's Primary first. So we begin with St. Richard's Primary. Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible's New Testament is a girl named Rhoda first mentioned?
Matthew!
Incorrect. Acts. Bible knowledge. Mona Heights. What was the name of the desert country to which Moses fled after it was discovered that he had killed an Egyptian?
Midian.
Correct. International affairs. It's a visual question, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Madagascar.
That's right. International affairs. A visual question for you, Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Romania.
Incorrect. Chad. Science. St. Richard's. What is the scientific name of the upper jawbone in humans?
Mandible.
Incorrect. Maxilla. Science. Mona Heights. What is the scientific name for the lower jawbone in humans?
Mandible.
That's right. Television. A visual question, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify the Jamaican actress.
Diana Ross.
Incorrect. Sakina Deer. Television. A visual question, Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify the Jamaican actor.
Christopher Daly.
Incorrect. Glenn Campbell. St. Richard's. English language. Does the word obsequious mean excessively obedient or excessively disobedient?
Excessively disobedient.
Incorrect. Excessively obedient. English language. Mona Heights. Does the word opprobrious mean to express scorn or to heap praises?
To express scorn.
That's correct. Sports. A visual question, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican Olympian.
Merlin Otti.
Correct. Sports. A visual question, Mona Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican Olympian.
Herb McKinley.
Correct. General knowledge, St. Richard's. Rabat is the capital of which country?
Morocco.
Correct. Mona Heights. General knowledge, Kigali is the capital of which country?
Rwanda.
Correct. St. Richard's. Social studies. Metcalfe is a former parish in Jamaica, is now a part of which current parish?
What did she say? St. Thomas. St. Thomas.
Incorrect. St. Mary. Mona Heights Social Studies. What was the first capital of Jamaica under the Spanish rule?
New Seville. New Seville.
Correct. Music. St. Richard's. Which American singer was known as the godfather of soul?
James Brown. James Brown.
Correct. Music. Mona Heights. Which American singer was known as the queen of soul?
Aretha Franklin. Aretha Franklin.
That's right. St. Richard's. Mathematics. What is the product of 2.7 and 2.2? That's right. Mathematics. Mona Heights. What is the product of 3.2 and 2.4?
$7.68.
That's correct. Jamaican Affairs. St. Richard's. Who is Jamaica's children's advocate?
Diane Gordon Harrison. Diane Gordon Harrison.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs. Mona Heights. Who is Jamaica's public defender?
Carlin Reed Cameron. Carlin Reed Cameron.
That's right. Science. St. Richard's. Wood is used in the formation of which type of fossil fuel?
Coal. Coal.
Correct. Mona Heights. Science. What type of rock is the fossil fuel coal?
Sedimentary. Sedimentary.
Correct. Sports. St. Richard's. Name 2 of the 4 semi-finalists in the 2024 Manning Cup competition for high schools in Jamaica.
Kingston College and Jamaica College.
Kingston College and Jamaica College.
Correct. Sports. Mona Heights. Name 2 of the 4 semi-finalists in the 2024 Da Costa Cup competition for high schools in Jamaica.
Darmaseo and Glenmore High School. Darmaseo and Glenmore High School.
Correct. English language, and we don't have time for that question or any more in this section. That is the end of section 1, and the scores are St. Richard's Primary on 8 and Mona Heights Primary on 11. Of course, we're going to take a quick break, and when we'll come back, we'll have lots more. But of course, we have our friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Keep a positive attitude. Tell yourself you can achieve your goals even when the work seems difficult. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. The grand finale of season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.